Good afternoon, this is Tim Halbach from the National Weather Service with an update on the winter storm that is currently ending today and then the extreme cold that's going to be coming for the rest of this week. Winter storm warnings are still in effect for eastern Wisconsin, and these will go until 6 p.m. this evening. And for all of the area, we have wind chill warnings and advisories that have gone into effect, and we'll lay all that out here soon. So here's the latest conditions. We've got snow exiting southern Wisconsin, still expecting to get a little bit of additional snowfall here. This is our first shot at a snowfall total map from what fell overnight and into this morning and today. Heaviest amounts up in the Marquette to Sheboygan, West Bend area, where anywhere from 10 to 15 inches of snow has been reported so far. Our south missed out a little bit. We ended up having a little bit less there because of some dry air that moved in that turned the snow into drizzle, freezing drizzle instead. So amounts are a little bit on the lower end in the southern part of Wisconsin. But this will be moving out over the next few hours, and we'll be having the snow come to the end here. Then we have wind chill advisories and warnings that start off. So starting at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, we have a wind chill advisory that will start area-wide. That's for wind chills in the negative 20 to negative 35 degree range. Then starting 6 p.m. on Tuesday, so tomorrow evening, wind chill warning begins, and that will last all the way until Thursday morning. Wind chills are expected to be negative 35 to negative 55 throughout this time frame. Thursday morning, it might end a little bit earlier than that. We're still going to be pretty low, right at about daybreak that day, but quickly improving into the negative 20s. We don't have a wind chill advisory issued yet for Thursday and into early Friday, but we'll likely need that for at least part of the area. Our threshold for an advisory is negative 20 degrees for the Milwaukee forecast area. We average about 5 of those per year. The wind chill warnings, negative 35 is our threshold, and we average that once every 2 to 3 years or so not as often. Pretty hard to hit that threshold. Here's some statistics for southern Wisconsin. Coldest observed wind chills ever. We're going to be getting close to those negative 56 at Milwaukee and negative 54 at Madison on Wednesday morning. Coldest observed temperatures ever. I don't think we're going to be able to hit these quite, but we'll be getting close to that just to show you how cold it's going to get. Negative 22 is our forecast, negative 30 for Madison. And then the coldest maximum temperatures ever. We have a better chance of hitting this at Milwaukee and Madison. So this would be the maximum temperature for the day and how cold it was. So negative 13 is the record at Milwaukee all time, negative 15 at Madison, and we'll be coming close to that on Wednesday afternoon. Here's some of the minimum temperatures and minimum daily wind chills that we're expecting. So Tuesday into the negative single digits below 0 and wind chills in the negative 20s. Wednesday, negative 20s for air temperature. This will be the min temperature that morning. And the minimum from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning, wind chills down around the negative 50s. On Thursday, the min temperature dropping down to around the mid negative 20s to negative 30. And then wind chills again in the negative 50s for this morning on Thursday. And then Friday, negative teens for air temperatures for the morning low. And then this is a little deceiving. It's mainly the wind chills from Thursday morning, but they are improving on Friday morning. So that's a recap of the dangerously cold air that we're expecting to have for this upcoming week. Please stay tuned for latest forecasts, and please stay safe and warm out there.